So guys, hello, good afternoon. Today we will be making a avocado. I have 2 avocado. One of these I will cut and then put ice. I wanted to put ice and water because it's ripe already. So let's open. Yeah, I will eat this with ice. This one I will let daddy eat. He just want to eat just the avocado. Yeah, it's the right timing because it's not overripe. We got so many avocado in the farm that when they bear fruit, we're gonna have a lot of avocado up there in the farm. So it's good. So I have to go and visit the farm. I've never been, so I'll go and visit it soon. Kain tayo guys, this is nice. Hopefully, this is good because it's got no hair. You know, some avocado they get hair. I'll give that one to daddy. Wow, we are into avocado. This is such a big avocado. I bought it. That's the only one that I got here. It would have been good just the medium sizes, but it didn't happen. So I went to Central Market the other day and I bought this and those two, maybe a couple of days or 3 more days. So I said I don't want to buy all the one that they come ripe together. So we can eat it slow eating the better. So this one will give to dad. He loved this because he just ate it with a spoon. And then this one is mine. I will put ice, maybe milk, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's daddy's and that's mine, and that's it. Healthy. Let's stay healthy, guys. So this is a good tasting avocado because it hasn't got a hair. The guy told me inside of that is very smooth. So okay. I don't know what to do with this, but anyway, I'm gonna pistachio. Looks like avocado. So I wanted to put ice cream on this one. And so I can eat it with ice cream. Pistachio with avocado ice cream. Sometimes I don't like to have avocado like ice cream in the house, but sometimes it's nice to have it. Okay na guys, so this is our avocado with ice cream. Yeah, and this is avocado of daddy. And this is our snack. I'll put in the snack box. I won't eat it in one go, but probably 2 or 3 days. That one.
Okay guys, good morning. Mayong aga sa inyo tanan. We're gonna si Bobo ilisan niya guys ang takloban niya sa na dako abo dako akay damo ta materials kanugon hindi pagko nanara dako yara para ni magwa ang sako dason ang diri sa piyak ara pasakabi. Okay, very good. So ini galing may sobra ka nga mo na Tani i-level mo na lang para hindi ka mag-cut. Kadto ka di. Sige. Nan. Nan. Para pag amoy na dio ang isa sa kabe. Kabus pagani. So that's okay. That's good. Oo. Para hindi ka mag-cut dio. Oo. Dason ang dire, sample ta lang no. Saka sample lang na nan. Pag saka mo dio, makatabo ka pa sa iya gamay para hindi siya mahulog. Okay? Okay, good. So, amo na oh. Yeah. So, covered siya. Okay? Yung sobrahan ko ng material para ano. So, ito na guys. Tapos na ang paggawa namin ng ano, ng cover. Ayan. Yun, upholstered lang siya. Very easy lang siya paggawa. Ayan. Basta may tucker ka lang. Bumili lang kami ng tucker. 150. Kasama na yata to. So, matagal mo na rin nagamit. Tapos, careful lang paggamit kasi medyo sensitive siya pag replace ng staples. So ayan, naglagay kami ng dalawang gold para malaman ang harap at saka ano pag nalagay na siya sa tricycle. Easy to clean pag may plastic. Ayun. So this one, nagpaplano din kami na palitan o takpan. Takpan na lang namin para easy. Pinagawa. May pangalan siya ng angel wing sa likod. Baka yan ang aming ikip. Hindi lang namin alam. So, but we will try. We will try and see kung anong magawa namin dyan. So, ayan. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our channel. Magluto tayo ng ulam. Nakaluto ako ng rice. So, we are going to make, ulam with it we got. A lot of frozen food. The freezer is full. So we need to use some of the frozen foods. So I actually defrosted some of the bangus that is here. Okay, we will cook some into fries. I bought this in Save Mart. Oh, Save Mart, not Save More. Save Mart ito guys. Yay! Wait. I don't have ito. All of your scissors. Like this. Yeah. Ayoko. Let's cook guys. Luto tayo ng bangus. Pero I feel like na mag-scrambled eggs ako. Mag-ano tayo ng 4 na eggs kasi 3 lang naman kami. So, it's only 3 people. So, we'll do 4 of eggs. But, kailangan ko siya i-scrambled eggs. Ano ba yan? Okay. Okay. Turn that on. Luto na tayo. Luto na tayo. So guys, we are nearly finished. Naglagay si Bubo ng gold for good luck. At saka orange also for good color. Dapat may gold guys para magstay kami mayaman. Kay gold is money. Okay? So nearly, pakita na lang namin sa inyo kung nasa tricycle na siya guys. Kasi today, bibili ako ng material. So, sasakyan namin ang tricycle, nakatakbo-takbo siya with the orange na siya. Kuha na kami guys. Go Bacolod! Orange ang ano ni Greg sa taya. Oh, Greg na kami na Greg. Pagkasunod lang naman nga color. 2028, green na green naman tabo. Sa 2028, di ba Bo? Damo kami guys, color nga nadumduman. So, wait na lang ninyo pag na-plaster na siya sa tricycle. Kakain muna kami. Kasi gutom ang mga people. Ito ang upuan. This is where we sit, yeah. And this is for the side. And that's for the back. Okay, looks good. So that's ready, Dad.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. So that's what you call that? Grass cutter.
Yep.
Battery charge whippy snippy.
Charger.
Charger.
2 batteries.
2 batteries.
Hello friends,
Adjustable handle.
we bought beach land near the
Okay,
Pacific
nice.
Ocean, but
Aussies.
we have a problem. We don't know
Okay,
where
yeah, that's right.
really
Very
our
light.
I
boundary.
can't see.
Yes, the last owners made survey, but it's maybe
Spare
very
parts.
long time already.
Spare parts.
Yeah, different plastic.
Already
Another plastic blade.
And we asked like, we will not buy if you not put these
So that's
weapons where our boundary we need to understand.
Yeah.
And we
We'll start with this one because we've got a lot of rocks in the yard.
Hmm.
So if I hit a rock with the plastic, I won't break this, and then I can dig the rock out.
with Mohan.